Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. Now, if you're looking for a powerful user-friendly platform to analyze the markets and place trades, then TradingView is one of the options that you can take advantage of, all right? Whether you are trading Forex, stocks, crypto, or indices, TradingView offers advanced charting tools, indicators, and a smooth trading experience. All right. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to trade in TradingView step by step. All right. Now, by the end, you will know how to set up your charts, connect a broker, and place your first trade. Okay. Now, before we dive in, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more trading tutorials and strategies. All right. Now, the first thing you need to do is to create a TradingView account. Okay. First things first, you need a TradingView account. So if you haven't signed up yet, then you can just head over to www.tradingview.com, right? www.tradingview.com. That is if you do not have an account yet. All right. If you don't have an account yet, you need to create one. Okay. When you go to this site, just create an account. I already have an account, so you can see I'm logged in already. Okay. But if you do not have an account with TradingView yet, you need to create an account. All right. It's a free account, actually. You can just create a free account. Now, a pro tip is TradingView actually offers free and premium plans. All right. So the free version is great for beginners, but if you need multiple charts, custom alerts, and advanced indicators, then you might want to upgrade later. Okay. Now, once you are signed up, it's time to customize your dashboard. Okay. Now, let's just quickly get familiar with the TradingView interface, right? This is where all the magic happens. Okay. Now, the key sections that you need to know are the chart area, right? This is where you analyze price movements and trends. You can switch between different assets, right? If you want to select a different asset, you can just click on this. Select whatever asset that you want. You can click on that plus. Then you can search. You can actually search for whatever asset that you want to. If it is whether it's, you can see we have different options, whether it's stocks, funds, futures, forex, crypto, indices, bonds, economy options, etc. Right? So you just select whatever asset that you want to analyze. Okay. You pick your asset, you pick your time frame. You see, you have different time. Actually, you can see that you have multiple time frames, right? So you pick your time frames. You pick your layout, right? And then you also have a lot of indicators available on TradingView. Okay, we have a lot of indicators available on TradingView, and you can actually select whatever indicator that you want. Okay, you have different indicators. Some popular ones are RSI, moving averages, Bollinger Bands, MACD. There are a lot of them. You can see a lot of indicators. So whatever indicator that you like using, you can just add it to your chart. Okay, and then in terms of drawing tools, TradingView makes technical analysis quite easy, right? So you have a variety of drawing tools. Okay, you can actually use trend lines. You have the trend lines here, right? You can just draw your trend lines. Okay, you can actually also make use of Fibonacci. Okay, we have the Fibonacci retracement. So there are a lot of tools, right? I'm just mentioning a few of them. You can see that we have different tools. See the trend line, way, full line, extended line, trend angle, horizontal, blah blah blah. There are a lot of them, a lot of tools. You can see a whole lot of tools are made available on TradingView. So it depends on your strategy, depends on the kind of trader that you are. You don't need all of these tools. You don't necessarily need all of them. So it depends on what you need. Then you can make use of those particular tools that you need. Okay. And then you can actually track multiple assets, right? You can actually track multiple assets. You can open, for example, um, this is for comparison. Sorry. You can actually open another on your browser, right? On your browser, you can go to another. Let's just say, for example, let's just look at this up. For example, you can actually open another asset. So I'm just going to come here and I'm going to select another asset. Let me just click on cryptocurrencies, and let's just say, let's say I want to look at this, for example. Yeah, so you can actually have, you know, a web page open for another asset, and you can do your analysis on that asset, and you can see, so this is for Avalanche, this is for XRP, for example. So you can actually have, a series of web pages opened, and for different assets, and do your analysis on different assets. And you can also set your custom price alerts, right? For example, you can see this, you can see the word alert here. You can see create an alert. You can actually create alert, fill in the details, whatever you want, the symbol, the condition for the alert, blah, blah, blah. So you can actually set alerts also on TradingView. Okay. Now, let's get into a very important part, and that is connecting your broker. Okay. So TradingView actually allows you to trade directly from the platform by connecting a supported broker. So by doing that, you have to go to Trading Panel, right? When you go to Trading Panel, you have to find your broker. You can see you have to find your broker here, right? So once you find your broker, you have to log in with your account details. Okay. Well, for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to connect to paper trading. So, but if you find your broker, then you log in with your account details. Then you can see that you can now be able to sell, buy. You can see that the buy and sell button is going to come out. So you can then set your you can then go ahead to execute trades. Basically, you can execute trades right here on the trading view. All right, you can choose between buy or sell. You can choose whatever order that you want and execute, right? So now that you know how to place trade, let's talk about how to use TradingView for market analysis. We're just going to be talking about multi-time frame analysis. For example, you can actually switch between different time frames and do multiple analysis on those different time frames to get different views of what is going on in the market. All right, and you can also make use of technical indicators. Okay, it's important. You can select whatever indicators that you want to make use of. Whether it is moving average, you can just quickly search whatever indicator you want to make use of, whether it's moving averages or RSI or whatever. Just select it and it's going to appear on your chart. Okay, you can also set price alerts like I already mentioned. Okay, so basically this is like a summary, all right, a very quick this is like a very quick explanation of how to set up your TradingView account and make use of it. Okay, so if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more trading tips, strategies, and platform guides. Okay, also drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'm here to help. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.